Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Thank you so much for joining me and allowing me to continue to be your daily advocate. If you're new here or you're not subscribed for any reason, please do me a huge favor and hit the subscribe button. Thank you to all of you who have been watching and following me for so long. It truly means a lot, and I'm glad that I can be this person.
Bitcoin and cryptocurrency prices have fluctuated wildly in recent months as the cryptocurrency market has recovered from a sharp sell-off, despite JP Morgan's serious warning about Bitcoin prices. The price of Bitcoin has fallen from almost $50,000 per Bitcoin in early 2022, dropping to a low of just over $30,000 last month before regaining its ground. Ethereum, its competitors BNB, Solana and Cardano, as well as XRP Ripple also faced extreme volatility due to the panic of traders, although some are still convinced that the cryptocurrency market will recover. Now, against the background of a new collapse in Bitcoin and cryptocurrency prices caused by the aggravation of the situation in Ukraine, an outspoken bull on Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies, Tom Lee, said that he expects that part of the wealth in the amount of almost $100 trillion will eventually flow to the cryptocurrency markets, referring to the rapidly changing situation. Regulatory landscape as a potential catalyst. If I had to say how the easiest way to implement the big step feature in cryptography is, I would say that it actually forces existing generations of investors in the US, rather than new investors, to really be ready to invest in Bitcoin. Lee, head of the research department and the managing partner of the independent research boutique Fundstrat Global Advisors, focused on cryptocurrencies, told CNBC. And 76% of all wealth in America is controlled by people over the age of 65. Thus, it is almost $100 trillion to people who think that Bitcoin is still a kind of hobby or things they play with people living in the basement. Lee pointed to the fact that developing rules help to facilitate the flow of money into Bitcoin and 10 largest cost of cryptocurrency, the Ethereum, BNB, Solana, Cardano, and Ripple XRP. This week it was reported that the Biden administration may issue a long-awaited decree next week, which instructs government agencies to study Bitcoin and other major cryptocurrencies in order to develop a nationwide strategy for regulating digital assets. I think regulation could actually unlock a lot of these movements, Lee said. Just imagine that 2% of the $100 trillion is allocated for cryptocurrency. You can see an increase in the total cost of the network by 5 to 10, 15 times. At the moment, the Bitcoin and cryptocurrency market continues to trade in accordance with the stock market, and traders and investors fear a war between Ukraine and Russia. After yesterday's escalation of tensions between Russia and Ukraine, global markets collapsed and Bitcoin fell by almost 10%, Marcus Soterio, an analyst at British digital asset broker Global Block, wrote in an email. All attention is focused on the Russian-Ukrainian situation in anticipation of any short-term relief in the market. Coincidentally, Ukraine also became the last country to legally recognize Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies after similar steps in Russia and India. Ukraine's balanced approach to cryptocurrency regulation shows that the adoption of digital assets at the national level does not necessarily have to be a zero-sum game, Anton Peroyan, Chief Operating Officer of the ARK-36 Digital Assets Investment Fund, said by email. This law, which defines clear rights and obligations of all market participants, will mean that cryptography will be much more widely used in the daily lives of people in a country that already uses crypto technology extensively, Soterio added. Despite the boring price movement of XRP in recent weeks, on-chain metrics indicate that there may be bullish momentum on the horizon. The cryptocurrency is currently undergoing the second largest accumulation phase thanks to megakits. The behavioral analytics platform Santiment noticed that the addresses where about 10 million XRP coins are stored significantly increased the size of their assets. The data inside the network shows that from December 2021 to today, February 18th, these addresses have added 897 million XRP tokens worth more than $690 million to their positions. The Santiment noted that the accumulation during this period was the second largest in the last 5 years. The largest accumulation occurred between November and December 2020, when whales acquired about 1. The largest accumulation occurred between November and December 2020, when whales acquired about 1.3 billion XRP. It is noteworthy that the increased buying pressure from whales, observed recently for XRP, coincides with a significant jump in prices relative to Bitcoin. The cryptocurrency token, XRP/BTC, rose above 3,500 Satoshi from November 1st to November 24th, 2020. Similarly, the XRP/USD pair jumped more than 245% to a high of $0. It is noteworthy that the increased buying pressure from whales, observed recently for XRP, coincides with a significant jump in prices relative to Bitcoin. The cryptocurrency token, XRP/BTC, rose above 3,500 Satoshi from November 1st to November 24th, 2020. Similarly, the XRP/USD pair jumped more than 245% to a high of $0.82 over the same time period. The latest accumulation among the XRP whales suggests that the cryptocurrency may be ready for a similar upward movement. In addition to the optimistic factors within the network, XRP is reacting to the promising developments of Ripple in an ongoing fierce courtroom brawl with the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC. The SEC has accused Ripple of intentionally violating federal laws by selling XRP when selling unregistered securities since 2013. As previously reported by ZY Crypto, Ripple General Counsel Stuart Alderoty said that an as-yet unknown global firm eventually concluded in 2012 that the company's XRP tokens were not securities. XRP fans are now calling on Tesla/SpaceX CEO Elon Musk to join forces with them as they continue to fend off attempts by the securities watchdog to classify the sixth largest cryptocurrency as a security. XRP whale addresses containing more than 10 million tokens or more have managed to accumulate about $900 million of XRP since December 2021, which at the time of writing was about $700 million, which is the second largest accumulation they have made in the last 5 years. According to the cryptocurrency analytics company Santiment, the largest accumulation of XRP whales occurred in December 2020, when more than 1.2 billion tokens were added to their wallets, to the extent that the price of the cryptocurrency rose sharply at that time. The live XRP price today is $0.88 with a 24-hour trading volume of $3.74 billion. We update our XRP to USD price in real time.
So enjoy your day, everybody. I'm always here for you. Leave any comments or questions below, and be sure to subscribe. But thanks, everybody. I really appreciate you. Enjoy your day, and I always have your back. So thanks so much, everybody.